Yo, what is good, guys? Today's trade recap for the damn, what is even 5th of May? For the 5th of May. So I took one trade today, W trade, up around 380, I think, 350, 350. Oh yeah. So the balance on this one's 5100. This one's 5500. So yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, let me quickly show you guys what trade I took. So going into the day, yeah, I was, oh wait, what am I doing, bro? Wait, what? I'm actually tweaking. Okay, wait, what time is this? Bro, what? I skipped by hours. Fuck's sake. Okay, wait. I actually took this trade. Like, I don't think I've taken a trade on ES this whole year. This was actually my first trade on ES this whole year. 925 there. So going into the day, what I noticed was that on the higher time frame, obviously we are bullish. Okay, so on the higher time frame, we've been ripping since March to 2 months. We've been just ripping higher and higher and higher. So obviously I'm bullish. Same with ES. So higher time frame, obviously bullish. Don't have to say it. On the daily, the only thing that might make me a bit bearish was if we had like some like obvious gap with some nestled liquidity, kind of like that. Something like that would make me bearish, but um, yeah, something like that would make me bearish. But what I saw was that ES and NQ had an S&T at all-time highs. NQ took all-time highs. ES did not take all-time highs, so we did have a bearish S&T, but I kind of wanted to disregard it, like somewhat, because I was just so bullish on the targets on ES. Like these three lined up highs, they just like scream to you. I don't know. To me, they were just screaming that we're gonna get taken. So I was like, I wanna long ES till Asia high, previous day Asia high. So going into market open, this is, what is this? Okay, so market open, I was like, all right, let's see if I was like, not here. I was not yet convinced that we're gonna take this high. I was like, all right, let's see. We can either dump from here and respect the S&T, or we pump closer to the drawn liquidity. So I was like, all right, let me see. So once this move happened, so once we put an internal S&T, once we sweeped internal lows, then I was like, all right, this looks quite nice. Let me actually check where I ended up entering. I don't know, it doesn't. Oh yeah, so here. Oh wait, yeah, right here I ended up entering long. I think after this candle closed actually. So this candle closed. The next candle opened lower here. Then placed it there. I placed it like here. Yeah, that's exactly where I placed it. And then my stop was here. TP was here. Stop was here actually. So this is how the trade looked. Was it here? Yeah, the stop was there. This is how the trade looked. So it was looking good, nearly hit TP, edged the high by like 1/4 of a point on ES, and then we tap back into this 1 minute fair value gap. Here at this point, I thought, okay, I'm cooked. And then we had another reversal, and then we have another edge. And actually, no, it didn't stop me out, but it was really close to my stop loss. Must have been like here. So this is how it looked, the trade, and then from here on it took TP. So a bit of chop, but overall not too bad. I thought I was actually fully cooked here, but this trade was just like, it wasn't A plus. I can't lie, it was not A plus, which is kind of not great, but like, you know, NQ was just ripping higher. ES didn't seem to want to just take that high, but at the end of the day it did. So yeah, that's the trade, and yeah, balance is looking like this. So yeah, good luck and see you guys next video, I guess.